Today, let's talk about whether the aluminum composite panel will return to the price of 2 years ago. The answer must be no. First, let's take a look at how the world has changed in these 3 years since the outbreak of the epidemic. The world's manufacturing and business has stagnated, with every industry set back by at least 5 years. As each country's economy declines, inflation occurs in each country. Under inflation, commodity prices all over the world have begun to rise. For example, our aluminum price has risen from RMB 15,000 per ton to RMB 22,000 per ton by the end of 2021 in 6 months. Until the end of 2021, commodity prices all over the world have risen to a new high price. Particularly, I want to say that inflation under the epidemic has changed the economy of the world. Particularly, it changes the price of all commodities, which is established that these prices will not be able to return to the low prices before the epidemic. This is the transformation of the economic landscape brought by a major epidemic. To make matters worse, in March 2022, the war between Russia and Ukraine has pushed the price of aluminum to nearly RMB 25,000 per ton. So to sum up, the price of aluminum composite panel is determined by the price of aluminum. Therefore, it is impossible for aluminum prices to return to that of 2 years ago. Now, its lowest price is about RMB 22,000 per ton, but the highest price is expected to exceed RMB 26,000 per ton. Therefore, under inflation, money is becoming less and less valuable.